Due to the more frequent use of computers in crimes, a number of laws on computer crimes have appeared. Computer Fraud and Abuse Act of 1984 is one of the most well-known laws on computer crimes. In general, the law covers computer crimes, especially those crossing the state boundaries, and the law is there to avoid infringing on states' rights. So the law addresses any potential issues that could occur when investigating crimes that involve multiple states. This way, they could somehow avoid the potential unconstitutional nature of the investigation. So then the question is, what is a crime under this law, CFAA? So I'm going to give you some examples. What could be a crime under CFAA here? The first example is accessing classified or financial information in a federal system without authorization or in excess of authorized privileges. So the key word here is federal, as I mentioned earlier. The next example is modifying medical records in a computer when doing so impairs or may impair the examination, diagnosis, treatment, or medical care of an individual. Again, this one has this federal potential. Finally, trafficking in computer passwords if the trafficking affects interstate commerce or involves a federal computer system. So as you can see, all these examples are somehow related, the crimes that could have a federal impact. Computer Fraud and Abuse Act was amended in 1986 to change the scope of the act. In fact, the act got broader in its scope to cover federal computers that processed any sensitive information, and also to cover all federal interest computers. As a result, the wider scope of CFAA now includes any computer used exclusively by the U.S. government, any computer used exclusively by a financial institution, and finally, any combination of computers used to commit an offense when they are not all located in the same state.